So you bought some chicken, you forgot about it for a couple days, you open it up, it's got a little bit of a funny smell. Not knock you over funny, but I wonder if that's good funny. Most likely the problem is that the juice in the sack has gone bad and there's nothing wrong with the chicken. What do you do about that funky smell before you cook it? Well, first you wash out your sink, you put the chicken in there, you fill it up with nice cold water like you see here. Nice healthy dose of salt. And then you mix it in. Why does this work? Why would putting a little bit of salt and some water with the chicken fix the problem? Well, it's actually pretty simple, and your meat department man knows about this trick. It's used fairly often in the meat department when you get some meat that starts to get a little bit old like that. Chicken, not other kinds of, it might work on pork, but mostly chicken. And they'll rinse it in salt water, and then a lot of times they'll put some barbecue seasoning on it to cover up the smell and to prevent it from going bad again as easily. Because it's only got a couple days left, so you got to cook it fairly quick. So they'll make it cheap. But you soak it in the salt water for a little while, and that salt will kill all the bacteria, and it removes the smell from the meat, which was, like I said, actually in the juice in the bag to start with. And then you season it and cook it like normal. You'll never know. Now, if your chicken has turned green, throw it out. It's not going to fix that problem. But if your chicken still looks normal and just smells funky, this will usually take care of the problem. Yeah, thanks. And then you can go ahead and cook it and eat it. As long as you cook it all the way, you got nothing to worry about. Thanks for watching.